Local news for Friday the 9th of November. Nominations for the Masterton Civic Awards close today with categories including community, arts and culture, education, sport and leisure, health and wellbeing and heritage and environment. Nominations can be made on the Masterton District Council website. The dedication and gifting of the Featherston Camp sculpture takes place tomorrow afternoon at 3:45. The unique piece of public art that pays tribute to the Featherston Military Camp, as well as those that work there and pass through, it will be dedicated tomorrow afternoon before, of course, the Armistice Day commemorations at the Cenotaph in Fox Street at just before 11 a.m. on Sunday. And the first region-wide release of a non-native dung beetle in New Zealand is just beginning, with the Greater Wellington Regional Council and Dung Beetle Innovations team helping to look to help communities with fresh water and farmers seek higher productivity. The release begins Sunday at a sold-out event at a function at Featherston's Kaiwaiwai Farm. And in sport, Regional 1 tennis tonight sees Martaborough host Gladstone and Aupaki host Carterton. Gladstone are currently leading the Regional 1 competition with Greytown the bye this week.